Hi everybody, Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie. Tip 22, coasting and clutch control on your driving test. This is a big topic and it can be a very confusing topic. So what is coasting? You've all heard the word coasting. Coasting is when you overuse your clutch. It's when you press down your clutch too early. Particularly coming down a hill, you can lose control of your car because you're disengaging the engine from the drive wheels. And the car literally freewheels when you're coasting. So coasting is something you want to avoid on your driving test. If you press down your clutch, 2 or 3 car lengths back from a junction or when you're coming into park, that's absolutely fine. But if you're pressing down your clutch 50 meters from the junction, that's not fine. Another form of coasting is if you're rolling into a stop, you press down your clutch and you put your car into neutral and allow her to roll in neutral. That's coasting in neutral. So they are not allowed on a driving test. Clutch control, on the other hand, what is clutch control? First of all, this is where you use your clutch to control your car at low speeds, to control the speed of the car. The best example I can give you, and the one I give my students, is if you're coming to a very busy roundabout, you're in second gear, your clutch is up, you can only slow down so much with your clutch up in second gear, and very often that won't be slow enough to enable you to observe properly at a roundabout. The analogy I give is that if you can drive with your clutch up, you're able to go at jogging pace. If you need to move any slower than that, you need to go to walking pace. And quite a few roundabouts, especially smaller roundabouts, will need walking pace. To give you that walking pace, you need to use clutch control, and that is pressing down your clutch to allow you to keep rolling, but that little bit slower at walking pace so you can make a healthy decision as to whether you can go or not. And if you see that you can go, you take your leg off the brake, bring up the clutch and roll in. Or if you slow down really to almost stopped, you might need to pop your car into one and then drive into the roundabout in one. So that's my best description of clutch control. You'd maybe use it as well in very tight 90-degree left or right turns where jogging pace is just simply too fast. Is clutch control allowed on the driving test? Yes, it is. Clutch control is actually a vital part and a vital skill when you're driving. So you should only use the clutch when necessary. But clutch control can control the car and the speed of the car when you are at that very low walking pace. What you don't want to be doing is pressing down the clutch way back from junctions, and you definitely don't want to be popping your car into neutral as the car is rolling. If you are still unsure of the difference between the two, talk to your driving instructor about it and practice. It's very important that you practice clutch control, practice using your clutch properly, and hopefully it won't take long until you're up to par with it and ready for your driving test. When you are, check out our website, PassFirstTime.ie. Half price the courses for just a few more days now until the end of our 30 days tips. Then it will go up to its normal price. Please like and subscribe. Ring that bell for tomorrow's tips, and we will see you in the next video.